Hey, what's going on? In our last video, I showed you guys how to build a landing page or a squeeze page with a basic redirect in under 10 minutes. So now I want to show you guys how to link the domain inside of the MP Marketing Suite, and also we're going to link a QR code using Flowcode. So then you can go to actual business owners, restaurant owners, whatever it is, and you can basically sell the landing page with the redirect and a domain as well as a QR code to these business owners. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm inside of the MP Marketing Suite here. I'm gonna go to the Outback Squeeze page. Now, being that we already created the squeeze page in the last video, I'm gonna go up here to settings. Now, I have some domains purchased already, and just for the simplicity of it, I'm gonna link this squeeze page to one of my domains. If you don't have a domain yet, you can go to either GoDaddy, Namecheap, and you can buy a domain for the year for, I want to say, under $5, depending on what it is. So if you're new to marketing and you don't have, a brand name yet, you can do, say your name's Mike, you can do mikesofficial.com, mikesadvertising.com, whatever it is. Normally, if you're going to sell this landing page to a customer, you're going to want to create the domain name for the customer. So say, Outback already has a domain, but say you were doing, Doug's Pressure Cleaning. You could create a domain name for Doug'sPressureCleaning.com, and you can actually go to Namecheap, GoDaddy, buy that domain name, and then that would be their domain name. So if you're creating a landing page for them for, say, let's say 20% off your next pressure washing, or your next house clean, or your next driveway clean, and your landing pages were based upon that promotion, you were collecting data for that, that 20% off was your lead magnet, then you would basically just get that domain, buy that domain, link that domain to your squeeze page, and then we're going to bring that over to Flowcode. So for these purposes here, I'm going to say that you already have a domain, that you've already purchased your domain, you've uploaded your domain inside of the MP Marketing Suite, and you're going to go to your domain here. For these purposes, I'm going to use mpsocialtool.com. The path is going to be Outback Squeeze page, and we're going to save that right here. All right, and what I want to do is I just want to view this. So we got the mpsocialtool.com/opt-in. I want to view this page here. And there we go. There is our landing page that we created on the last video. Now, once you have that in, you're going to want to go ahead and copy and paste this URL link right here. And then I want you to go to flowcode.com. If you look up here, flowcode.com. Here we're going to actually get a QR code for that. So you can create a free Flowcode account, or you can, I think it's like $10 a month or $15 a month, and you can do a little bit more with Flowcode. But for the simplicity of it here, we're going to just use the free version of Flowcode. So that QR code that we just took out of the MP Marketing Suite, you're going to want to go ahead and put that in here. All right. You can upload a file from your device if you wanted to. This is going to be a PNG file. So let's do this here real quick. Maybe it's in documents. I don't think I have. Oh yeah, we copy and pasted that. If you wanted to put a logo in there, let's go over here real quick. Let me find something just to show you what you can do in here. Boom. Okay, perfect. So we uploaded a file, standard center image right here. Let's do this. There we go. So we can actually do that there. I'm going to go back up here, and we're going to actually take that out. Okay. Now you just want to download code. Put your email in. j.mv. Boom. Create a password. Alright, download code. What don't I have filled out? Give me 1 second here. It's saying that I gotta fill out a boom, download code. Alright, now if we go over here, we could actually check our email. Just save your password if you want to. So here's our QR code. And let me just check our email real quick. I don't think it showed up yet, but they will send you a file to your email. But then here you can go to edit, manage, you could download, you can print this. And what we would like to do, say for restaurant owners could put these QR codes on their table. You can make a little sign for them. You can include all of this into your marketing when you go to sell them. And then basically what would happen is it would say, scan this code for 10% off. Or if it were a service provider, like say Doug's Pressure Washing, like we were talking before, they could actually put this on their trucks or on their vans. Scan here for 10% off your next house clean. Whatever it is, they're going to scan this QR code. And they're going to go to the landing page that you already created. And then they're going to fill out that landing page. You're going to be able to collect their information. You're going to send them to a redirect. For the restaurants, we're sending them to a menu. Say for Doug's Pressure Washing, you could send them to a, if you have a web page already built out for them, you can send them to a pricings guide, or you could send them to a thank you page. You could send them to a call now page, a schedule an appointment page, whatever it is. There's all kinds of redirects that we can get into, and in some later videos I'll go over those. But I basically wanted to show you an easy way, a free way to create a QR code for your website or for your landing page. As always, guys, if you have any questions, reach out to me. Stay motivated, stay inspired, and we'll see y'all on the next one.